wheels for life. Ride it. You know what you do to me, I'ma top you off with a bottle of that Ready Whip. Got your legs.
Hi everyone, I hope that you are having an awesome day. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. So today's video is going to be a collaboration with a lot of people. So I'll put their links down below so you guys can check them out. So I'm going to do this picture right here. So we'll see if this turns out well. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. Because y'all know I'm not that artistic type of girl. I just forgot my foundation. I don't like putting powder on my face without a foundation. I'm just going to stick with the eyeshadows, the lipstick, and the drawing right here. You guys know I'm working a lot. My house is basically all makeup. So I'm going to be using Take Me Back to Brazil and the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and then this is like the Prism palette. So I'm just gonna put it right here to the side so I know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna use this one right here, which is Unity, right there. I'm just gonna use it as my base first. Gonna blend it out together because there's only one color on my eyes right now because I'm putting a base. So the base has to come first before anything else. Seed, just that one. It's like a white silver, and I'm also gonna insert the picture around here what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna do that here. I'm gonna do the same brush again. I'm just putting it on my lids. If I had to choose which palette I prefer from this or the new one that came out, I would say the new one, just because the new one blends more and the colors come out the way you want it to come out. I mean, the color, this one is good, but like I'm having trouble with this color just to pop out. I think I just have to wet it, but I don't have my spray with me, so I'm just going with the flow.
Here, this one is from BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. I think everyone knows this palette. So I'm going to use this white one, and then I'm going to use it on my lids as well, like on top of it.
Because I'm going to be blending this too, so it's fine. Okay, so once I do that, I'm just going to blend it with this brush. Okay, it looks like that. Okay, so in this picture, it shows like a lot of like a little like smoky in the top. One right here. And I'm just gonna dab that and then just put it right here. I'm just gonna dab it because I don't want to go too dark. So do that. And I do the same thing here. Do the same thing here. Okay. So it looks a little bit darker. Like I said, my phone doesn't show the justice of the pigmentation, but in real life it's really good. But I'll put a lot of pictures, promise. So it looks like that. So I'm gonna try to use like this dark blue one because I don't want to put the black because I know it shows some black in the thing. So just in case of anything.
It's on the top right there. The middle, not too much. Then blend again.
So pretty. In real life, it's pretty. Oh, okay. Once I'm done, I'm gonna go back to this brush right here, and then I'm gonna use the white one, and then put it on under my eyebrows. And then I'm just gonna use this new brush that I got from BoxyCharm, and then just blend it. Looks so cute. And I have the lipstick for this look. So that's the best part. Okay. So once I'm done with this one. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna try not to record this one because I need to watch the video. I mean the picture because I know I'm gonna mess up. So yeah, I'll see you guys after I'm done. I'm just gonna do the drawing last and just focus on my face first. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to have like a volume lashes.
Mae liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna go like really, really thin because that's what the picture looks like.
So it looks like that. It's kind of funny. So it looks like that. It looks kind of funky, but this one looks nice. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner underneath my waterline next. So I'm gonna be using the Juvia's gel liner because I love this one. It's like very, very pigmented. Okay, looks not too bad. So once I do all of that, I'm gonna use this one first. Okay, guys. And this one is from Kylie, and the color is Dead of Night. I'm scared of trying new things, let me tell you. So it looks like that. And I'm gonna draw a line. Yeah, you see the black? It's so thick. Guys, chill. Guys, oh my god. I tried doing this by myself, but it's not easy. But I tried. This is such a fail. Guys, this is like I call this like a fail look right now. Look at this. It's like an ugly drawing. It's like someone drew on my face. But you know what? I made a fool out of myself with this one. But you know, it's better than nothing. So this is my look. It's kind of funny. Whatever. I don't want to do anymore. I look like... Yeah, I'm just going to take this out and just put it like this. But this is what it looks like. I hope that you guys like this video, even though I made a fool out of myself. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to check out all the beauty gurus. And I might not put this as my picture. I might just take this one out and leave it like this. I'll just see you guys in my video.
I'ma top you off with a bottle of that ready whip. Got your legs up, hands handcuffed to the headboard. I'ma make you beg for it now. Ride it, ooh baby, you know that